Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Pakistani-style stir-fry noodles using an easy method. This quick and flavorful dish is perfect for a weeknight meal or when you crave something satisfying. We will cover everything from preparing your ingredients to the final toss. Get ready to create a vibrant and tasty meal in under 30 minutes, bringing authentic flavors right to your kitchen table. It's simpler than you think. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat. Once shimmering, add your prepared protein, like chicken or shrimp. Stir-fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's cooked through and beautifully browned. Next, toss in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Sauté these aromatics for about 30 seconds until they release their wonderful fragrance, but be careful not to burn them. With your protein and aromatics ready, it's time for the vibrant vegetables. Add your pre-cut veggies, such as bell peppers, carrots, and cabbage, to the wok. Stir-fry them quickly for just 2 to 3 minutes. We want them crisp tender, not soft. Then pour in your pre-mixed sauce, which usually contains soy sauce, chili sauce, and a hint of vinegar. Stir everything well to ensure all ingredients are beautifully coated with the flavorful sauce. Almost done. Now, add your perfectly cooked, al dente noodles directly into the wok with the vegetables and sauce. Using tongs or 2 spatulas, gently but thoroughly toss all the ingredients together. Ensure every strand of noodle is beautifully coated with that incredible Pakistani-style stir-fry sauce. Once everything is well combined and heated through, your delicious meal is ready. Serve immediately and savor the amazing flavors you've created. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.